In this video, I'll show you how to use Applixure to identify which end-user devices have not had the latest OS security update installed in less than 10 seconds. Now, it's all too common for IT management tools to report that security updates are installed when in reality they've been pushed but not successfully installed, often due to an end user not restarting their device for a while, for example. Now, the first thing for IT to do to remedy this issue is to quickly identify which computers have yet to have the latest update installed. So let's start the clock and see if we can find them in 10 seconds or less. So go straight from your Applixure dashboard all the way down to Issues and scroll down to Security Readiness and click OS Security Readiness. Scroll down and stop the clock. How quick was that? So in less than 10 seconds, we now can see that we've got 60 devices that have not got the most up-to-date OS security update installed. So what I'm able to do now is I'm able to click on those. I'm able to click on them individually. I can search the list, sort it, export it. But let's just take a look at one just out of curiosity to see what might be causing the issue. And I think we've already see why. It's 1.1 months since last OS restart. So if I scroll down here, the latest security update for operating systems not being installed. So the latest known OS update release was on the 11th of June 2024. So fairly in the last few days from when this video was recorded, and it's been 1.1 months since last OS restart, so most likely that's the reason for it. Just bear in mind that you can actually search for devices that have based on the time since last OS restart, so this is something that you can track very easily with Applixure. So there you have it. So if you'd like to find out how many devices in your environment haven't got the most latest critical security OS update installed, then you can try Applixure for free, along with looking for any other issues that might be occurring. Now, what you need to do, you'll just install Applixure in the matter of minutes, and you'll gain full visibility of your entire end user environment in the coming days as the data starts flowing in. So go to applixure.com now and give it a try.